Press the bell icon to never miss a video from PopXO Daily.
Hi guys,
My name is Himani
and I'm Anukriti,
and we are back with another episode of PopXO Game On.
and today's challenge is very interesting. इस challenge का नाम है Follow My Lead.
So I think main challenge तो अनुकृति के लिए था because when I asked her कि what she wants to learn today for the first episode of Follow My Lead, so she picked the most basic look which was smoky eye with shimmer. I mean, आपने ये starters के लिए इतना advanced level क्यों चुना अनुकृति please?
यार the thing is that for me it's like काला अक्षर भैंस बराबर, so काली आँख भी भैंस बराबर because this is the most commonly heard makeup look, right?
Yeah.
You keep listening to smoky eye, and
Yeah.
I like a little shimmer. And trust me, guys, challenge मेरे लिए से ज़्यादा मेरी teacher के लिए था because you're gonna see all of this right now because I struggled, guys. I struggled and how.
So if you want to enjoy our struggle to figure out how to do this look, then keep on watching. So we'll start by concealing our eyelids and our face or our forehead. ठीक है?
This is a concealer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what do I have to do?
So just use your fingers and then you do this.
What are you doing?
Because you warm it up.
Huh?
Yes, you warm your concealer because then it will just become so much easier to blend out. And also, once you have enough material on your face,
I feel like I'm killing myself by dabbing my eye.
you have to be very soft.
Oh. Okay.
So now that is done.
So I've concealed.
Yeah, we have concealed. And now we're going to go in with our foundations.
Okay.
यहाँ पे and then थोड़ा सा अगर यहाँ पे लगाना है.
I don't have that applicator, so I'll just use.
Yeah. With your finger only. Just use your
Do I
fingers.
need to do the?
No, because this is already very liquid. This is not cream.
Okay. I'm very scared of foundation, Himani, because मुझे ऐसे लगता है that मेरा चेहरा is gonna start looking very like a mud pack or something.
So that is why you use it with your blender.
Oh, that's what this does.
Yes.
Okay, God. I have got this now. You have already blended. How fast are you?
Now we are going to set our eyelids. So loose powder or a compact, कुछ भी चलेगा.
Can I take this one?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm taking the same one.
Okay.
And then you have to pick your thing and then dab. Is a cream product.
Okay.
तो ऐसे से नहीं जाना इसके ऊपर.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Gap कट है.
Okay.
Otherwise you will just spoil it. Like cause कोई point नहीं रह जाएगा वो हट जाएगा तो dab करो.
Okay.
And once the product is on your eyelid,
Okay.
now कुछ भी extra है तो वो आप हटा सकते हो.
Okay.
Just.
I'm just following your lead, Himani. I'm just.
Now I'll tell you the
Yeah.
trick
Okay,
to
trick.
do the smoky eye. Now the next trick is that you have to not go in ahead. Like don't start with black. Like never start with a black.
Okay.
That's where people go wrong. They literally take a black shadow, dip your brush and put it here. Wrong. You have to start with a brown. Take a brown shadow, and you will start putting it only in the crease, the D of your eye.
Yeah.
So you have to start with the outside.
Yeah.
Keep and then take it inside.
In a swipe motion. Okay.
हाँ.
Okay, cool.
ठीक है. So basically swipe and circular can go together also.
Okay, understood. I've been doing this for a while now, but मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है ये जो बाहर है, ये ना बहुत डार्क हो गया है. ऐसे लग रहा है
Yeah.
वही the मुक्का effect is happening.
So how do you always manage to do this? आपने एक ही बार dip किया था ना?
हाँ.
फिर ये कैसे हो रहा है आपको? मतलब
Wow. My eyes haven't felt so pampered ever.
I think we're good. For
I
for
don't
now
want
it's
to come
fine.
back for class number 2, but this is. I don't look like somebody's punched me in the eye yet,
Yeah.
so it's fine.
You will just now.
I will.
Now we're going to use a
Brown
black-
में ये हुआ है तो black में क्या होगा मेरा?
हाँ तो अब हम black पे आ रहे हैं.
Damn.
सो ब्लैक पेंसिल हम लेंगे. बहुत ही एक लाइनर बनाना है. कोई प्रॉपर नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि ये वैसे भी ब्लेंड आउट होने वाला है.
अच्छा.
तो सेंटर में रुक जाओ.
See, this is a product I feel more confident with because ये मैं बचपन से कर रही हूँ और I've already messed it up.
यही होता है
यार over confidence. यार ये देखो.
हाँ कोई बात नहीं है तो वो तो ब्लेंड होना है. इट्स ओके.
Is it okay?
हाँ हो गया बस इनफ.
Okay. Same on the other.
नहीं इतना नहीं. टेक दिस वन.
Okay. What is
So
this brush
basically
called?
just a little brush जो थोड़ा ज़्यादा वो ना हो, fluffy ना हो, ऐसा कुछ brush चाहिए. And then take the black, बहुत
More
ही
black?
कम, बहुत ही कम, मतलब literally बहुत ही कम.
पता भी नहीं आया या नहीं.
अगर नहीं यहाँ चेक करो, पहले चेक करो अपने हाथ पे.
हाँ आया.
ठीक है. अभी इसको blend out करना है. तो ऐसे करके
ठीक है.
सिर्फ आउटर पे ही करना. अभी ऊपर की तरफ ब्लेंड करना, ऊपर की तरफ लेके जाना उसे.
Okay. Himani, I am very, very confused right now because yours looks very nice and mine looks
आई डोंट नो वेयर इज योर लाइनर गॉन. जो हमारे आई का वी है
हाँ,
ये हमें बस हाँ ऐसे ही ब्लेंड करना है.
Okay,
नाउ
awesome.
जस्ट द न्यू लाइनर दैट यू अप्लाइड ब्लेंड इट आउट लाइक दैट ओनली.
Same motion.
Same.
I'm pretending I know what you're talking about, but I am doing it.
जब तक you don't get the exact blend that you want,
Okay.
you can also literally take a new brush जिसमें कुछ color नहीं है ताकि if there is like too much product, it will take
Okay.
it away.
कुछ गड़बड़
हाँ
किया
नहीं, it's okay.
It's fine.
It's not bad. It's just that जो ये यहाँ पे product अटका दिया है आपने.
हाँ मुझे लग रहा था कि कहीं पे अटक गया है.
Keep adding black shadow
Okay.
to blend it. Otherwise, it will never blend. Are you done, Anukriti?
I think so.
Oh, show me, please show me.
Just see.
Yes.
I have a quick question though.
हाँ, tell me.
How do I know where to end the eyeshadow?
किधर?
Like
Here?
हाँ.
Really depends. वो जो some people you've seen like the fashion वाला look जो होता है वो तो मतलब end तक चले जाते हैं. But generally it is under your brows. Now we are going to finish the look by adding the sparkle that you wanted.
Yes, I am really looking forward to the sparkle.
So we have these crayons. अभी क्या करना है? Direct इसका लगाओ ऐसे.
Direct.
डायरेक्ट भी लगा सकते हो, फिंगर से भी लगा सकते हो, बट क्योंकि अभी ये इसकी शेप सही है ना तो भी ये इतना मोटा हुआ नहीं है तो डायरेक्ट भी लगा
So you're
सकते
putting
हैं.
in the center of your lid.
या जस्ट
कितना ऊपर जाना चाहिए? Till the crease.
क्रीज से नीचे ही रहना क्योंकि अभी हम इसको करेंगे ना जब ब्रश से
Okay, okay.
तो ये फैल जाएगा.
This much is okay? More, a little more.
या फॉर नाउ वी कैन सी इफ वी कैन वर्क इट.
Okay, great.
ठीक है, नाउ आई विल टेक अ फ्लैट ब्रश. बेसिकली को ऐसा ब्रश चाहिए जो इसे क्रीज में फिट हो जाए
Okay.
और ये ऐसे कर दे. प्लीज ट्राई, प्लीज गो
Now you have to help me.
Yeah.
Okay, so just like
या
dabbing motion, right?
यस
I think we need some more product on my eye.
वी विल ऐड मोर प्रोडक्ट.
Revival of the black.
Yes, so we have managed to reinstate your blacks and browns and golds in the right place.
Wow, I just realized ये same चीज मुझे इधर भी करनी है. Oh no. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
cool. I am trying to just repeat all the steps you told me. And just like not mess it up somehow. Yeah, you'll have to check once. I followed every step.
Yeah, it is very nice. You did it very well. So मतलब इतना बुरा नहीं किया आपने. Good job.
तो पहले just remembering I have to put and then I have to go inwards first.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Very nice.
Okay.
Very beautiful. Okay, now we are going to quickly do our eyebrows.
Okay, I do know how to fill in my eyebrows, thankfully.
तो-
So basically, I don't get my eyebrows threaded. So that is why I use the pencil very
nice.
often.
ठीक है, सही है.
Yeah.
Now eyes are done, brows are done. Now जो भी fall out हुआ है, we are going to just quickly clean that.
Okay.
ठीक? आप दिखाओ.
I think I got rid of all the.
Yeah,
glitter
it's
नीचे.
gone. हाँ, it's gone.
Okay.
हो गया. अभी concealer से हो जाएगा. So now that is done. And now we are going to conceal. जो भी हमारा थोड़ा spots हो रहा है,
हाँ.
वो सब फटाफट से.
Same,
Same warmings. Now we are just blending it all out.
Yeah,
अभी अपना वो जो edges है ना वो मत खराब करना, बस उनसे थोड़ा दूर रहना.
yeah, okay. But I have suddenly recognized the importance of this pointy tip.
See? तो अब बस हमें अपना अंडर आई जो है वो सेट करना पड़ेगा. तो वो सेम लूज पाउडर जो आपने बनाना पाउडर यूज़ किया था ना,
Okay.
तो ऐसे
Just dabbing motion, right?
हाँ डैब. देख रहे हो like you have to pay for all of these insights that I'm giving you. You know you're getting for free.
You have to pay for making a complete fool of me.
इतना कॉर्नर नहीं, यहाँ पे ये ऊपर देखो.
हाँ.
And you have to just go like that.
Okay.
Like that. ठीक है?
Oh, wow,
ऐसे उस
that's
साइड पे
fancy.
करो.
Like-
Now take the same brush for your eyes. We'll finish the eyes first quickly.
Okay.
ठीक है? We'll take the same brush. Take the brown. ये जो हमारा कॉर्नर था,
हाँ.
you have to connect it with the lower lash.
Wow. Okay, see?
हाँ, तो बस अभी थोड़ा सा उसको you have to just look up.
Oh, you brought it till the inside.
Yeah. ठीक है. Now we're pretty much done. Now we're going to add false lashes. I don't plan on sitting here.
Oh my
forever.
God! Then you will be like false lashes लगा के 4 लोग कंधा देकर बाहर सीधा.
So
Okay.
mascara लगा लो बस.
Okay,
eyes को
mascara लगा
खत्म
लेती हूँ.
करने के लिए.
Okay, done. Do you have any tips for me for mascara?
Start at the root.
हाँ.
ठीक है. और फिर ऐसे you have to separate your lashes root पे.
हाँ.
And then
Go up.
just bring it up.
Okay, ठीक है.
ठीक है. Oh damn यार यो हाँ amazing.
Oh my God, इसमें और इसमें कितना फर्क है देखना.
हाँ, it's because of that only. You have to push the roots upwards ताकि वो curl हो जाए थोड़ा थोड़ा.
Okay. Oh, this makes a lot of difference to the entire thing.
Yeah, of course. And if you add lashes, then it's like what a wow. Now we are going to tight line.
What does tight? Oh,
With
I
the
know you're
kajal?
going to do this inside thing,
Yeah.
right? Oh, this I knew
जैसे
about.
काजल नीचे लगाते हैं,
ऊपर
ऊपर लगा रहे हैं.
See,
Yep.
I think this is the most difficult thing I've ever done in my life.
So now we're going to contour our face quickly because अभी हमारा face बहुत flat हो गया है.
ठीक है.
तो अभी हमें इसको थोड़ा shape देना है. Actually we'll bronze. चलो for today let's skip contouring. We'll just bronze our
Thank
face.
you, God.
Yeah, don't worry because contouring is then more detailed. I don't have the energy to teach you anymore, basically. So I'm
Same.
just going to go in.
Join the club.
Answer. आपको यहाँ से शुरू करना होता है अपनी, ठीक है, ईयर के, और आना होता है ऐसे. And then do your jawline. And then you have to also do your forehead.
So forehead के एकदम end में, हाँ?
हाँ, मतलब यहाँ पे it's a 3. It's 1 and 2 and 3. This
Okay.
is the trick.
Okay, got it.
ठीक है, ये आप ना बस ऐसे करके ना एक कॉर्नर से रख के अगर ऐसे निकाल हो गया.
Yeah, see?
हाँ.
Okay,
Now
great.
we'll just add blush quickly.
Okay.
And you have to add blush to the apple of your cheeks.
I've
Smile,
heard
smile,
that.
smile,
I've heard
smile.
that, yeah.
Perfect.
या मुझे लग रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा लग गया.
दिखाओ. हाँ तो क्या हो गया? कोई बात नहीं. ज़्यादा लग गया? It's okay. Take a beauty blender.
Okay, take
Because it has your foundation. Go over. करते करते भी अगर कुछ sweat हो गया है, वो भी हट जाएगा ना. तो ये it's that. In the end you can do it. So
She has forgotten that she has to tell me.
Oh sorry. अच्छा, तो हाइलाइटर का बेसिकली क्या होता है? यहाँ
ये
पे
हाइलाइटर की चकाचौंध में हिमानी खत्री अपना आपा खो चुकी हैं.
पहले ना आप हंसो.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे लगाओ. फिर टेक इट लाइक पीछे ऐसे.
Okay.
लेते जाओ उसी लाइन में.
Okay,
Because
wait
you don't
first.
have the right but बस अनुकृति
I
बस.
can't tell how much. Wait, I know what to do.
हाँ.
This little piece of sponge has saved
Yes.
my life today.
And
Okay,
for
now.
your brows, for under your brows, use your fingers because that
Okay, cool.
is easier and just more.
Okay.
You know.
Just on the
proper.
brow bone, right?
हाँ. So
Also on
here.
my forehead. Okay.
Only the high points. तो मतलब ये वाला जहाँ लाइट पड़ती है और जहाँ शाइन आती है.
हाँ.
जस्ट इमेजिन आपके फेस पे जब लाइट पड़ती है तो कहाँ कहाँ शाइन मारता है.
Okay.
वहाँ पे हाईलाइट करना होता है. इतनी सारी जो मैं ये इनसाइडर टिप्स दे रही हूँ ना इस वक्त. इट्स लाइक वेरी critical business tip.
Yeah.
Trip.
Yeah. She doesn't understand that I have never literally watched कि मेरे चेहरे पे लाइट कहाँ कहाँ पड़ती है. She's telling it to me जैसे मुझे पता है. मैं रोज देखती हूँ लाइट मार मार के अपने चेहरे पे कि कहाँ पड़ रही हो तुम लाइट.
ठीक है. और फिर मैं लगा रही लिपस्टिक. सो आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग अ nudes lipsticks.
I have a nude lipstick.
Similar. So we'll just end the look.
Okay, I think I bit a bit more than I could chew because.
Ooh, very nice. It's okay. अगर ये भी एक्स्ट्रा लग जाए मेरे पास इसके लिए भी ट्रिक है.
क्या?
तो I take a tissue
Okay.
and then I kiss it.
Okay. Even on like this.
I do it with everything. हाँ, what is not fine?
I mean, you tell me. You're the teacher.
I'm good.
Okay.
If
Then
you're
I
good.
must be good too.
Okay, so this is the final outcome of our first attempt of, or not my first attempt, but Anukriti's first attempt of trying out a smoky glitter eye,
Yeah.
which I think is pretty good. I don't think आपने बहुत बुरा किया है for the first time. वो भी smoky करा है आपने direct, तो मतलब not bad.
I'm very, very grateful that you have taught me this. Like whoever's watching this, whoever's trying to learn how to do makeup, really guys, it is an art really. It takes time, effort and energy to understand the tricks
Yes.
and techniques.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully learned something out of it.
And if you did, do give this video a big thumbs up and do let us know in the comment section below if there are any more looks or any new tricks that you want to learn.
And because you love PopXO and our content so much, we got a surprise for you. What if I told you you could get your hands on some amazing beauty products and all you have to do is sign up for the My Glam XO Insider program and get rupees 150 off when you shop from myglam.com or the My Glam app. The link is in the description below.
And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to PopXO Daily.